Hi guys! In this video, you're going to discover 7 reasons you should learn about Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS. My name is Amanda, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro fast. Let's get started. Number 1. AWS owns 33% of the world's cloud computing market share. AWS, or Amazon Web Services, is a cloud computing platform which is used by small businesses and leading organizations such as Netflix, Amazon, Airbnb, and Adobe. It is the leading cloud computing service with a market share 3 times bigger than the next biggest provider in the space, Microsoft. But what exactly does AWS offer? Businesses with web applications start with a few users, for which they only need a few servers. But as the usage of a web application scales, so does the server infrastructure needed, especially when it supports a global audience. Businesses rely on Amazon Web Services to take care of all those server infrastructure issues to support their web applications. AWS enables dynamic, versatile, and stable server support to users using their platform, with the ability to automatically scale the servers used by the application in real time. Not only does it allow users to easily use business platforms, but they don't have to continue worrying about dealing with on-premise server administrations. Number 2. You can easily attain AWS certification. Amazon Web Services offer official certification exams, which, when passed, give you a certificate to prove your AWS skills. They offer multiple certification exams for different levels of proficiency. There is the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam, which covers most of the basics and fundamentals of AWS. It is the best certification for people who are just getting started with AWS. The other certification options are AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate and AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional. The Certified Solutions Architect certifications can help you better understand how to design and deploy cloud architecture on AWS. There's a link to Amazon Web Services training in the description area below this video. Number 3. Cloud computing is growing 7 times faster than the entire IT market. According to Ernst & Young, IT cloud services are predicted to grow 7 times faster than the rest of the IT market between 2016 and 2020, which means more and more businesses will be using cloud services, 33% of which will be using AWS. This means much more opportunities for you if you learn AWS. This is also why AWS certifications is one of the most sought after in the world of IT. Number 4. Access to jobs. Let's talk about jobs. Since many companies everywhere in the world use AWS, there are many jobs that you'll become eligible for when you learn AWS. You can see how true this is when you search for AWS-related jobs on websites like Indeed and Glassdoor. Indeed has almost 40,000 jobs listed for AWS-related jobs, and Glassdoor features over 50,000 jobs. This is because companies need people to take care of any AWS issues that arise, especially when they have a platform hosted by AWS or when they create products involving AWS. For instance, you could become an AWS Cloud Architect. An AWS Cloud Architect is a lot like a project manager for an AWS project or solution. You are responsible for customer success and ultimately coordinating a team to achieve that success, building an AWS solution or product. Another popular job opportunity is SIS Ops Administrator. An AWS SIS Ops Administrator is the person who is responsible for deploying, operating, and managing systems on the AWS platform. Being a cloud developer is also another opportunity. Cloud developers are responsible for the development of software applications and solutions. You could also be part of an organization or start your own business where you could be the cloud sales and purchase manager. This job entails selling and presenting AWS-based solutions to potential customers. Here are some more jobs that you could potentially qualify for. Cloud DevOps Engineer. Key Account Manager, Cloud. Cloud Software Engineer. AWS Networking Specialist. AWS System Integrator, and AWS Big Data Specialist. Number 5. You can improve your salary. The average salary of a person with AWS certification is $129,868, more than 2 times the salary of an average IT professional. According to Business Insider, the average recipient of an AWS certification has seen their salary increase by 25.9%. This goes to show that not only is AWS getting bigger, but the jobs are also significantly higher paying than most jobs available in IT. According to Robert Half, AWS has 2 of the 10 highest paying IT certifications in North America. This speaks to the higher salary prospects that come from learning AWS or becoming AWS certified. Here is what the average holder of the following AWS certificates earns per year. AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Associate, $117,773. AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Professional, $136,259. AWS Certified Developer, Associate, $112,984. AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, Professional, $125,743. AWS Certified SIS Ops Administrator, Associates, $125,149. Number 6. AWS is a gateway to other certifications. AWS professionals are more likely to attain Google and Microsoft Cloud certifications, which makes them more valuable as they become more knowledgeable in other cloud solutions. This means that AWS certified professionals are likely to go on to become even more relevant to the IT industry. Microsoft has a plethora of cloud solutions that you can add to your IT skill sets. Specific examples include Microsoft 365, Azure, Dynamics 365, and many more. The same thing applies for Google. Google boasts of many tools and services that provide certifications for IT professionals, such as Google Business Solutions, G Suite, Google Clouds, and others. Number 7. With AWS certification, you can join the elite AWS community. The AWS community is a community of AWS certified individuals on LinkedIn. It allows you to network, share opportunities, and collaborate on projects and ideas. Being a part of this community puts you at the forefront of the cloud computing industry, since AWS is rapidly becoming the gold standard of cloud computing. Through this community, you can also access and attend official AWS organized events and initiatives, such as regional meetups, seminars, and practice sessions. Amazon also allows you to become a distinguished member of the certified AWS professionals community by providing you with digital assets such as logos and badges you can use to make yourself stand out. Thanks for watching. Check out the video on the right for more content to help you develop your IT career.